The GoPro Mission 1 just got its official price. And honestly, this is not what anyone expected. Because when people heard about an 8K GoPro with a 1-inch sensor, most assumed this thing would be crazy expensive, maybe even close to cinema camera territory. But now, the starting price is around $599. Yeah, that changes everything. Now here's the real question. Is this actually a good deal, or is there something they're not telling us? Let's break it down. First, you need to understand what the Mission 1 really is. This is not a normal GoPro. GoPro is clearly trying to move beyond action cameras. This feels more like a hybrid between an action cam and a cinema camera. You get a much bigger sensor. You get 8K video. And you get a completely new level of image quality compared to older GoPros. And that's exactly why the price feels surprising. Because usually when you see these specs, you expect a much higher number. Now here's where it gets interesting. The base model gives you 8K at 30 frames per second, which is already impressive. But if you want more power, there's also a Pro version. And this is where GoPro starts targeting serious creators. Higher frame rates, more advanced video modes, better overall flexibility. So basically, GoPro is splitting the lineup into two types of users: casual creators and professional filmmakers. And that's a smart move. But let's talk about the real value. At $599, this camera is sitting in a very strange position. Because it's more expensive than typical action cameras, but still cheaper than most cameras with a 1-inch sensor. And that creates a huge opportunity. If the image quality is actually good, this could replace multiple devices for a lot of people. Vlogging camera, travel camera, even a backup cinema camera, all in one small body. But there's still a catch. We haven't seen real-world performance yet. Specs look amazing on paper, but things like heat management, battery life, and low-light performance, those will decide everything. So right now, this camera sits in a very interesting spot. It's not overpriced. It's not cheap either. It's surprisingly balanced. And honestly, that might be GoPro's smartest move yet. Now here's the big question. Would you actually buy this at $599? Or would you wait for full reviews first? Because this camera could either be a game changer, or just another overhyped release. Let me know what you think. And if you want real updates on this camera, make sure you subscribe, because this one is definitely worth watching.